In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when your Amazon Fire TV is having internet or network connection issues. This is going to work for literally every single issue that you might have. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is navigate all the way over to your settings using this gear icon right here. Scroll down, select network, and you're going to see all of your built-in Wi-Fi troubleshooting tips. Highlight your Wi-Fi network first and press the play or pause button on your remote to run a network status check and a speed test. This is going to help you compare your Fire TV speed with your internet speed that you're supposed to be getting. If you are using Wi-Fi and your apps are loading super slowly or they're just showing blank sections, a wired connection can make a big difference. If you have the ability to use an Ethernet connection, I would highly recommend it because it does give you faster speeds, more stable streaming, and fewer loading issues. Even with fast internet, wireless connections can still cause problems, so wired is highly recommended if possible. But come back to this network menu, and what I would recommend doing is making sure that your internet signal strength is strong, verifying that your Wi-Fi password is correct, and restarting your home network devices. To restart everything, just turn off your TV, unplug the router and Fire TV for about 60 seconds, and then plug them back in and reconnect. That's called a power cycle, and it'll fix most issues. Another quick fix, though, is turning the Wi-Fi off and back on. So go into your network settings here, find your Wi-Fi, simply go ahead and click on it, turn it off, and then turn it back on. Sometimes this quick little refresh can refresh the connection instantly, and it's super nice. It'll fix your issues. But from here, just back out. You're good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.